Hey, this is Rick with Outdoor Emergencies at Hiking Emergency Beacon, and today I want to do another video in the playlist for the ZOLEO, and this one is about weather forecasts. If you want to see the other videos, there's a link right here for the playlist. If you want to know about the device and the button locations, then check one of those earlier videos out, because I'm just going to run right into the weather forecast, how it works, and what kind of weather information do you get. I will say real quick, you cannot get marine weather with this, but you can get a lot of good information. But stay to the end, because I've got a top 11 satellite communicators of 2023 that I'll go over, and I group them and I tell you what they're best for, and really will help you make a better decision if you don't have one about which satellite communicator is best for you. So watch for that at the end. All right, so let's jump in real quick. So the thing about this, I'll say real fast, is you cannot get weather on this. I can get weather on my Garmin inReach Messenger, and I'll have a link in the description below. You have to have Bluetooth and be synced and have a smartphone. So if you have all that, and first of all, make sure you always go test before you go out, and make sure it all works. Because I'm telling you, I've had too many problems in the past where I even tested it at home, and I get out here and I'm like, well, okay, I forgot something, I messed something up. So I'll always test. So at the bottom here, there is message on the bottom, there's a weather next to it, then there's SOS on the right, and then the gear icon, the settings icon on the right of that. That's all at the bottom of the screen. So if I click on weather right here, it's actually showing me a current weather that I've got. I'm south of Castle Rock, but it's showing that. Now at the top, there's a, basically, what do you want to say? It's a refresh or something to get new weather. Now, in some cases, it may cost money for each piece of weather you get, or it's a message. And so if depending on your plan, you can get charged if you go over the tracks, over messages, and over weather. So I'm going to hit this real quick. So no location results found. All right, well, why is that? I do not know. Go back. The forecast will no longer be available. Yeah, it says, yes, I want to request a new forecast. This better work, because if I don't have self-service right here. So I'm going to request a new forecast. Okay, so here it goes to choose location, use current location, or select a different one. I'm going to say use current location, and it is 7:50. It gave me yeah, so it's 9:02. It's the last weather I got was a 7:06. So right now it's thinking. There's a little spinning icon at the top right. So it should give me an updated weather in a minute. But it's going to be the same information as yesterday. So I'm just going to show you what it has here. So it says Castle Rock, it's sunny. The low is 59, high of 88. Feels like 63. And it shows the winds, and it looks like, well, it's pointing that direction. I guess it's, well, it says west-southwest. Now, I've always messed up on this, so if you got a comment or question and you want to add something, when it says west-southwest, well, I can tell what it's doing right now. It's from, is it from the west? Yeah, the wind is from the west-southwest going to basically the north-northeast. And it always messed me up. I mean, I'm a pilot, and I've taken weather classes, and that always messes me up. When it gives the direction of the wind, it's where it's from, not where it's going to. So it's 3 miles per hour. There's 0% chance of precipitation, and visibility is 10 miles. Basically, I think when you have almost unlimited visibility, 10 miles basically says that it's unlimited. So it has 4 days of weather. So tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So 4 days, 3.5 to 4 days. And then it gives you the temperature range on each day, the chance of precipitation. It gives you sunrise, sunset. And then if you go down below that, then it gives more information. It says, like, say on, well, this is going down to the hourly. Sorry about that. So it's saying 9 a.m. right now. I want to tell you something real quick. 9 a.m. I think it goes about 20 hours. So from 9 a.m. it goes past 9 a.m. again. It goes to 3 a.m. So 9 a.m. If my numbers are correct, it's roughly about 20 hours. And then you can see here what the temperature is, where the winds are coming from, the speed of the winds. And it's 10 miles an hour at 5 p.m. And then down at the bottom there, you can see it has the % chance of precipitation, and it's got some stuff around the sun, 8, 2. I'm not sure what that actually means, and there's no information on it. I don't know what that means. If you know what that means, leave a comment below. And then again, the visibility at the bottom, and it says powered by Eris Weather. All right, that's really all there is to it. There's no more information than that. It's good information, but there's no satellite image. You can't see the storm, where the strongest part of the cells are at, but it is good information. So, you know, if I'm out and I want to have an idea what it's like the next day, or maybe I'm heading up to 13,000 feet or something, I'm going to be above tree line. I really want to know if there's what kind of chance of storms there are on that day, maybe what time of the day. So this is not hourly, it's every 2 hours, up to around 20 hours. All right, that's it. And I hope you enjoyed this weather forecast information. If you have questions or comments, and you see something that I've missed and you'd like to cover it or correct me on something, then please do. But please like, subscribe, share, and turn on notifications so you'll be alerted as soon as I put out new videos. And if you'd like to support Hiking Emergency Beacon, there's a link in the description below. All right, what I said at the beginning, top 11 satellite communicators of 2023. There's 11 of them. I have about 15, but several of them are not communicators, they're for navigation. But what I do in this is I break them down. I tell you, what each one of them can do and can't do in general terms without going into too much detail. And I give the prices of them and put them on the screen because I was messing up a little bit on the price. But I give you all that information, and then I start grouping them. I say, what are they good for? Because right now, like I said, and I may have said it earlier in the video, the ZOLEO and the Garmin inReach Messenger are awesome for SOS and two-way messaging. And if you're camping or you're out backpacking or hiking and you already have a different way to navigate, these are great for that. If you want an all-in-one device, that's not what these are, but that's what I do in this video. The top 11 satellite communicators of 2023 is I group them, and which one is best for ATVs and four-wheeling, which one's best for hiking, which one if you want lightweight and minimalist type device. And so I break them all down and give you my advice. I rank them, and I even tell you which ones I like the best and I think are the best in the market. This is all based on my experience, what I prefer, how I hike, and how I go out in the outdoors and do stuff. So, if you have questions, I will do my very best to direct you to what's best for you and not what's best for me. So again, check out that video and you'll see that here on the top right, but you're also going to see it at the end screen and in the description below. So check it out. You'll probably learn something. I did when I was making it. But if you have any comments, please leave them below. I do my best to always get back really quick with you guys. And I've really enjoyed hanging out with you today. Thanks for staying with me. And I will see you back out here in Colorado in the next video.